If Telegram is not opening on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can usually get it working again in just a few minutes. We'll start by closing any stuck background processes, then we'll try running Telegram as an administrator, and finally, we'll clear the app cache and local data to remove any corrupted files that may be preventing the app from launching. This is a quick and easy troubleshooting guide, so if it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, we want to close any Telegram processes that may already be running in the background. Sometimes Telegram is still open, but it's frozen and not responding, which can stop it from launching properly again. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes for Telegram or Telegram Desktop. If you find it, click on it once to highlight it, then select End Task. This force closes the app and clears out anything that may be stuck. After that, try opening Telegram again and see if it launches normally. If it still won't open, the next thing to try is running it as an administrator. This gives Telegram elevated permissions, which can help if Windows is blocking part of the app from starting correctly. To do this, go to your Telegram shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu. Then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. Once Telegram opens, check whether the issue is fixed. In many cases, this simple step is enough to solve startup problems. If Telegram still refuses to open, the next fix is to clear the app cache and local data. This does not delete your messages, chats, or account information, but it can remove temporary files that may have become corrupted. First, make sure Telegram is fully closed. Then press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata%\Telegram desktop and press Enter. A folder will open containing Telegram's local files. Inside that folder, delete the files and temporary data you see there. Again, this will not remove your chats through the cloud. It only clears local app files stored on your computer. After deleting those files, close the folder and relaunch Telegram. The app should rebuild fresh local data when it starts up again, which often fixes opening issues caused by corrupted cache. If Telegram still does not open after these steps, you may want to restart your computer and try again, or reinstall Telegram as a final option. But in most cases, one of these 3 methods will solve the problem. So to quickly recap, close Telegram in Task Manager, run it as administrator, and clear the Telegram desktop local files from app data. These are the best first steps when Telegram is not opening on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Telegram troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.